So we're making some Egg Benedicts right now. And what we've got there is the butter that's just been melted. How long did you melt that for? It's been melting for a while.
No, maybe just 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
And you have to be careful to don't boil it.
Yeah? Okay, and not
just
boiling
slowly.
it. And that's why it's been put in a hot pan of water with the bowl on top. Okay.
So the idea is to separate the lactose
from
the fat.
From the fat.
Yeah.
Oh right, I see. So you've got which one's the lactose and which one's the fat?
The white part, it's the lactose. You see, it's milk.
Ah yes.
And the other part is just the fat of the butter.
Oh.
You didn't know that.
No, this is very cookie. Right, let's have a look. And this has been, this is the frozen spinach, which has been melting for the past, is that the right term, melting?
Defrosting.
Defrosting is better, isn't it? Yeah, I was looking for the word right there.
Yeah.
So this has been defrosting for a minute or two.
Yeah.
We've got a timer on, I don't know what the timer is. Is that for...
It's the timer just to challenge myself and make this in 15 minutes.
Oh, right, okay then. Well, let's see how it goes. So I've always personally found Egg Benedicts very challenging to make, or at least I thought it was challenging from the recipe, but you seem to be doing it without the recipe. So I think maybe if I watch you do it, then I'll be able to attempt it myself.
I'm a bit nervous with you recording this, so I hope this is gonna work.
Oh, I'm sure it will. I won't make you say anything. I'll kind
it's
of.
Fine. I can copy it. I can answer your questions.
See, that's pretty cool. How you keeping that?
That
egg
is the difficult way of separating egg yolks. Otherwise, you can just drop the full egg inside here.
Ah, that's it. Oh, right.
And you just take it.
You just literally pick it up and just squish it out.
Just make sure your hands are clean.
Oh yes, clean hands for that process.
Yeah, and you can keep it for something else.
Oh.
For this Benedict eggs, for the sauce, you just need the yolks.
Ah right, so there's the egg white in there, and that we can maybe use for some guaglione or some kind of special white drink.
It's very high on protein, so you can just have an omelette maybe.
Ooh. I had a friend who would only eat egg whites and another friend who would only eat yolks, so they used to eat together.
Really?
Yeah.
The one eat only egg yolks, I think he's gonna die for a heart attack.
So we're actually using the yolks, so that means it's quite high in cholesterol.
Just remember that eggs are baby chickens.
Baby chickens,
so
exactly.
they need the proteins and the fats to grow.
Ah, so what are you doing there? So you're cutting the muffin in half.
The muffin, yeah. I'm gonna just put it here.
And that's gonna fry
some fat on it.
Oh right, yeah. Let's take some of that. Oh, so you're dipping it in the top of that. That
just
works
put
nice.
some this is called clarified butter.
Clarified butter.
Clarified butter because it's like cream butter.
Oh, is it better than Lurpak?
It's healthier. And it's, for example, if you used to cook with butter, butter have a very low temperature burning point. When you cook with butter, the full one, it gets burned very easily.
Oh yeah, I've noticed that with Lurpak.
But with this one, you just increase the temperature that you can cook.
Yeah.
Almost 100 or 120 degrees.
Ah.
So you can cook.
Nice. So I should have got that rather than... I didn't see it in there. Like, remind me of the name. What was the name again? Of the butter?
Clarified.
Clarified. Clarified butter.
Like cream butter.
Oh, yeah.
I think this sauce will be very good. How many minutes more I have than this?
Yeah, we're doing well. So what are we looking for here?
To incorporate air in the egg yolks.
Ah, incorporating air in the egg yolks. Nice.
So once they are like fluffy,
yeah.
you're gonna start adding the butter.
Right. And do you want me to add the butter?
Not yet. Okay. And I'm gonna add a touch of salt also.
Just a little bit of salt.
Now, because it has time enough to dissolve.
Now that salt we're using as well is not sea salt, is it? Or is it?
No, not really. It's a chemical salt.
It's a chemical salt. Yeah. Is there a reason for that? Is it because it's cheap?
It's because the one they have in the small shop.
Oh right, it was in the small shop, so there we go.
You
so
see
just using very practical ingredients there.
It's bigger now, no?
Yeah, it's very fluffy.
It's fluffy. Like your hand.
Oh, thank you, yeah. There we are.
Okay, so now it's the moment when we're gonna put this.
Okay, oh.
The idea is not touch the boiling water.
Right, so the bowl doesn't touch the boiling water.
That is the idea.
This is a bit that's very... It's challenging for most people, I think.
Yeah, and this point we are cooking the egg yolks. You're gonna see how they start being a bit more thicker.
Ah, yeah. No, I was going a bit out of focus there for a sec, so I'm just sharpening it up, so... In fact, I'm going to try and maybe zoom in a little.
So I will just put it and remove it.
Right, so it doesn't get too hot.
Too hot, yeah. Otherwise we're going to make a scrambled egg. And exactly that we don't want.
We don't want any scramble?
No.
No scramble whatsoever. Right.
And we need to start adding also the butter. You want to help?
Yeah, of course I will.
But you have to go slowly.
Oh god, right, okay, let me just, I'm going to zoom out. I've got this in my left hand whilst I'm doing it in the right, so, right, tell me when.
Go.
Do it now?
Go on,
yeah.
but slowly, like a very...
Is that good?
Yeah, and stop.
So this is the Hollandaise sauce that we're making right now.
I make a reduction of vinegar and wine.
Reduction of vinegar and wine.
And
you use the wine, fantastic.
Yeah,
I'm ready? Yeah, I'm going to do it very slowly, or as slowly as I can. Oh, sorry, that's too much.
It's okay,
Yeah, it needs to be faster.
Okay, go on.
Okay, a little bit more. More?
No. Stop.
Okay, there we go.
And now... You need to be careful once you add the butter.
Yeah.
Because if you heat it too much, you're going to separate the yolks and the butter.
So you can't let it stand for too long.
Yeah.
Or those will separate. Okay.
And you really need to mix a lot.
Would you like me to mix it a little bit? I'm just going to watch, you know. See, it's very labour intensive to make this Egg Benedict, I think.
Just the sauce is the difficult part.
A lot of whisking. Right, I'll pop some on for you.
I think I need to cook more the egg.
Yeah.
Anyway, just put the butter.
Just a tiny bit. A little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh, is that enough? Yeah.
You see it's getting thicker.
It's getting way thicker, yeah.
Yeah, because of the butter. Anyway, can you just add the last part of the...
The last part, all of it?
The fat, not the milk.
Yeah, the fat's just here, okay. Oh. Add some more?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Now that's looking thicker now. Look at it.
Yeah.
The texture of that is really nice. Look at that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to take me a bit of practice to get this.
See?
It's sticky, it's okay.
Yeah, it can be even thicker, but I like soft.
So that's the Hollandaise sauce all done.
This milk, we can use it for something else. Maybe if you like to add butter in the rice or any cooking, you just add this.
Glucose, milk.
Lacto.
Lactose. Oh, interesting.
Have you ever made butter? Homemade butter?
I've seen my friends make it using blenders.
With cream, no?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they use cream and lots of salt.
Wait, I'm gonna give myself other 5 minutes.
We'll be super relaxed about this. This is home cooking. It's not a TV show.
We didn't have the mise en place ready.
Oh
if
yeah.
we have that done, it's just easy.
I learned a new French word today, mise en place, which is when you put everything ready together before you start cooking. It's a real chef word there. Yeah.
A chef will understand. Do you have any word like only artists will understand?
Chiaroscuro. It's an Italian word.
Chiaroscuro. What does that mean?
The contrast between dark and light.
That is new. Chiaroscuro.
Chiaroscuro, yes.
Chiaroscuro.
Yeah. I mean, Italians would know it. It tends to be a word used to describe etchings from the Northern Renaissance. So these are egg Florentines because it's got salmon on top rather than ham. Alright, so there is the salmon just sitting very neatly on top there.
Benedict egg, it's composed of a poached egg, a muffin, and the Hollandaise sauce.
You just need a muffin, you need a poached egg, which we're going to do now, and the Hollandaise sauce. That is all we need for a Egg Benedict.
To make the poached egg, we have boiling water and a touch of white vinegar.
Ooh, have you put the vinegar in already?
I already put the vinegar.
Right.
Because if you make poached egg without vinegar, you cannot make this perfect round egg.
Ah, yes. So, that's where I've fallen down in the past.
If you are not an expert, it's better if you separate the egg in a small bowl and you drop it inside of the water. You make like a circle in the water and you drop it inside slowly. You don't add any more egg until this one is completely white.
Right.
And you can still move it just slowly and soft.
So this is how it goes. Now you made that look easy, but that is something that in the past
you can try the next egg.
Oh, what, me? You know what, I'll do the next one. I want you to finish this one off. Yeah, I don't want to ruin like this because you'll know exactly the time to just take it out.
It's better if you have a deeper pot. You need a lot of water to prevent the egg to stuck on the bottom like happened to me now. I have to wait a bit until the white is completely cooked on the bottom so I can move it up.
I see.
Otherwise,
so it's sticking there.
It's gonna open and the yolk, yeah, you see? It's gonna
Has it opened?
Get break. No. But I just remove it and now it's floating.
Okay, so that one is completely free and ready. And so you're going to do another poached egg whilst that is sitting in there.
Yeah, we need to wait for the water to boil again. It's slightly boiling in the bottom, but you need really boiling water to make fast the cooking of the white on the outside, so you can protect the yolk.
So are you going to take that one out now?
Yeah, but not yet. You need to wait until it's cooked as you like. We like runny.
A little bit runny, yeah, definitely.
You can just always cook it more, but you see, you can.
Yes.
And that happened because it's touching the bottom. You see, it's white.
Oh yeah. Nice.
But I think it's kind of ready. This is not the nicest one I have made in my life. We need more water. But if I add water, it's gonna boil tomorrow, so... Okay, now it's boiling. So we're gonna add the next egg, and we're gonna move here. You can also remove this white.
Ah, fair.
Fair enough?
It's just a little bit of spinach.
Okay, just slowly and move.
And there it is.
Keep moving slowly. Maybe this one is better because it didn't get stuck in the bottom.
Ah, nice. When you learn to cook, you start with, isn't it? It's with the egg. Learning how to cook eggs in lots of different ways because they're quite versatile foods.
Actually, how to cook eggs in all the different ways, it's one of the first classes that you have in the culinary school.
That's it, first classes.
What are the first classes in the art school?
Well, you can start from wherever now. Drawing is always a good place to start. The formal elements, pattern, colour, texture, tone, form, shape and line. So that's your poached egg, your fried egg.
Mayonnaise.
Your mayonnaise, your omelette, all of those
Scrambled
things.
egg.
I should write a song about it.
Okay, this part you can keep it if you want to eat.
Oh, yes, a bit of white, so that's
we're gonna just keep
an
it
off-cut.
Yeah, because we want to see our egg completely round and...
Yeah.
This is very runny.
Ooh, very runny, but it's a fresh egg, so that's not going to cause me any trouble. No salmonella here.
See, this one is a bit better than this one.
Yeah, oh, it's a nicer shape, isn't it?
It's a nice round shape.
Is that the best one you've made in your life?
Not really.
Oh, I love it. Well, that's how to make an Eggs Benedict.
Well,
Eggs Florentine. Oh, no, wait. Sorry, I've wrapped it up. I'm wrapping it up before we've wrapped it up with the Hollandaise sauce.
That's the last thing.
No, of course, sorry.
This, it cannot be cola.
There we are. Sorry, I apologise. That is how to make an Egg Benedict. I can't believe I forgot that step. That's the most important. The Hollandaise sauce. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how it dribbles down there. Ooh, plenty of that, please. Yeah.
Okay, I think it's enough.
Delicious, yes.